उदकास्रोत खात्याच्या सहकार्यान सगळे नाल्ले वा प्री मॉन्सून कामां जाग्यार उडयतले म्हण मंत्री जयेश साळगांवकर उलयला। RDA फुल फ्लेज खातें म्हण तयार करपाचो आपलो यत्न चालू आसा आनी ह्या बाबतींत मुखेलमंत्री बजेटांनी उलयल्लो म्हण मंत्री साळगांवकारान सांगलां। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Election happening before the rains, just before the rains, and now the panchayat elections are happening. But still, what the initiative I have taken is, I have, with the help of WRD, we have tried to desilt all the nalas, wherever the waterlogging used to happen earlier. So we have tried to clear all those silt, and so far it's good. I mean, we are getting good response from everywhere, and people are coming up and telling us, for even the potable drinking water wells, those are cleaned up, the nalas are cleaned up, the main connect to the rivulets, those are cleaned up, so the waterlogging problem is solved at MIM. RDA directly, we are not involved with the infrastructure related to drainage, all that. But RDA is working with the local authorities to bring up infrastructure in the village, which will help the villages. Instructions म्हणजे स्पेशली आम्ही काम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केलेलं आहा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल थोड्यांची घरां आहा which are on the bank of the nalas, तांकां to get those nalas repaired. मागीर आदले ट्रेडिशनल जे वाव आहा ते वाव आमी क्लीन केलेले आसा, so the water flowing is there. Below RDA was an agency earlier.
Correct.
And RDA had North Goa and South. It was divided into North Goa and South Goa. But now my attempt is to make RDA a full-fledged department. And even the Chief Minister, for that matter, has announced this in his budget speech, that RDA will be a full-fledged department, and the process is going on in that regard. And RDA will be getting its independent budget. RDA will be no more, will be with the Panchayati Raj.
Okay.
It will be directly linked to the MORD in Delhi, the Ministry of Rural Development, and the RDA will be called as the Department of Rural Development henceforth in Goa. And it will carry out all those works which are related to the rural development, and the work, we will see to it that work reaches to the poor of the poor. What RDA is meant to do, RDA will do that henceforth. Really, what RDA was doing was, RDA had just one or two schemes which were really, they were implementing those schemes. Rest money, RDA was being unutilized and was being sent back because of the criteria there was, and Goans don't fit into that criteria. So what I am trying to do is, go to the center. Even the Chief Minister is on the same note, that we will go to the center, get some schemes which are really would matter for Goa. For example, certain villages, for example my villages, there are 6 villages, but just 2 villages have got a market complex. RDA can get a scheme which can develop infrastructure for the markets, which can now even the street vendors who sit along the roadside, along the highway, we are planning to have satellite markets all along the highway, wherein you will have a separate parking space. You don't have to park your car by the roadside. You can get to that market, and the fresh produce of the locals will be available there. Along with that, the self-help group, whatever they manufacture, that they will have a selling point. And again, we'll have to give it a boost. We can invite the traders from the other parts of the country, and even they will have a stall. You come, you sell your goods, and you vacate the space. The space will be given to somebody else. On this note, and like market, there are other schemes also which we are trying to get to Goa, and which will be very beneficial for the Goans and the local, especially the people staying in the villages.